Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Uh, a week ago, I bought the Amazon Kindle Oasis, that's right. And today, I'm gonna show you how to connect your Amazon Kindle Oasis with your VWs, that's right. If your VWs Tiguan, Golf GTI, or VW Beetle comes with Bluetooth, you can connect your Kindle Oasis. Maybe Paperwhite has the Bluetooth feature. As long as your Amazon Kindle has the Bluetooth feature, you can connect it to your car, what do you call it, Bluetooth system. um, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to connect it to your your VWs. That's right, because I own VW. So one is VW Beetle that comes with Bluetooth, one is my VW Tiguan. So anyway, my daughter is here today and I'm going to show you how to do it. Come on here, Brianna, let's go to the passenger side. I'm gonna open the door for Brianna. Come on in, Daddy. Yeah, I really love the Kindle Oasis. I've been reading this book. It's called Why We Get Fat. Do I look fat to you? But anyway, this is what I'm reading right now. Why We Get Fat. So yeah, the Kindle Oasis is really nice and it's pretty responsive. You know, like you can go through your library and you can go to all your book. See that? It's pretty fast. So see, look at that. So I'm gonna pick the book Why We Get Fat, because I'm trying to slim down. Do I look fat? Anyway, you can put that in the comment below. I hope, hopefully I'm not fat, but if I am, whatever, just say your comment. But anyway, let's go back to topic. How do you connect this Kindle Oasis? I really wanted to have a reading device like this, and because I wait for my wife and daughter sometime in the car and I need something to do, and the thing is I don't want to use my phone all the time. I just want to encourage myself to read more, and this is one of the ways I do it. I just want to read more. So in the past, my biggest challenge was I can't bring books, so now I have no excuse. I can put all my libraries in one Kindle device. So anyway, the first thing you want to do, you want to turn the VW Tiguan on. Come here, Brenda. And then let's close the door now. There is a see, you don't want to, if you have a phone Bluetooth active, you want to cancel it. You don't want to connect to your phone because it will what do you call it, it will create a conflict. So if you have a phone in your pocket, make sure you turn the Bluetooth feature on your phone off. It's gonna have a the thing is, with the VW's Bluetooth system, it cannot have like two Bluetooth system at the same time. You have to choose one. So if you want to listen to music on your phone, then whatever it is, then you cannot use the Kindle. You have to kind of switch back and forth. So in this video, I just want to make sure that, look at this, Brenna, no pair phone found. Make sure that message is there. So then the next thing you want to do, you want to go to the Kindle setting right there, the setting button, and you want to go to all setting, go back again, see, go to setting, all setting, and you want to go to the Bluetooth devices, and look at that. Now you see that VW phone. So I'm gonna choose that. I'm gonna actually go rescan. Rescan means the you know, you're gonna scan the available Bluetooth connection. So I'm gonna click the VW phone right here. VW phone meaning the VW Bluetooth system. So anyway, I click on that, and voila, VW phone. Would you like to connect or forget to the VW phone? I said connect, and look at that. Hold on. Media search, active pair devices. Oh, where's that? And hold on, let me do this quick. Could you move a bit, darling? Pair devices. So I'm gonna, okay, Kindle is there, and I click here, Bana. Kindle is detected, so I'm gonna connect. Okay, hold on. Let me do this one more time. You want to clear it up. Hold on. Hold on. This is okay. Media search. Here we go. And pair devices. Kindle. Actually, I'm gonna delete this for now. I'm gonna delete that because what happened, I connected previously. So what I wanna do, I'm gonna go from beginning again. I'm gonna click Bluetooth devices right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead, Ibrana. Show them. You wanna go to phone right there and connect. Actually, no, sorry. You want to go to phone and media player, active device. Oh, no, active device, sorry. Go to phone, and then you want to go to, oh, this thing is annoying. Right here, Brenna, this is how you do it, how to switch from right here, this button right here. You click it to find phone, and then you want to find media player. Click OK, and then you want to search. There you go, searching, and rescan right there. So okay, come here, Brenna, and I'm gonna click VW phone right there. And I'm gonna connect. Look at that. Now it's asking you, would you like to connect to Kindle? And you click what? You click OK, and then I click here, and then go to your Kindle. Is it okay? And you click what? Confirm right here. There you go. Confirm. And then you click on your VW. Okay. Whoop, sorry. Let's try again. It's a bit pain in the neck right now because search and try again. Oop. Yeah, don't give up, because what happened is sometimes it does take a while. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna click confirm. I'm gonna click OK, and OK again. Finally. Now we're connected. Now that means you are now connected. Let's close it. Go here. Let's see.
Pause and one on prevention.
There you go.
Over the course of 30 years,
now your
he had held
device
more
is
than 500
connected.
conversations with dinner
Again,
companions who were...
Don't get, come here, Brenna, can you show them? It says no pair phone found, which is fine because you have no phone connected. You have media player connected. So yeah, again, first you want to go where? You want to go to the phone setting, and you want to go to the media player, and then search for device right there. It takes several try to do it, so even though when it's failed, keep trying it out. But that's how you do it. That's how you connect your Kindle Oasis or Kindle Paperwhite, if it has Bluetooth, to your VWs. That's really cool, so you don't have to put so much what do you call that, audiobook in your phone. It will free up some space. Yeah, I'm really happy about it now that it's connected, so I can go here and learn why I get fat. Anyway, see? And then listen to this. Oop, hold on.
After another.
There you go.
Declaring their
So
devotion
it's
to
all
bread,
connected now.
rice, pasta, and potatoes.
Yeah, I'm very happy about this, guys. So
This
anyway,
led Brian Savarin to conclude.
yeah, this is really cool. So I'm really happy that I have this Kindle Oasis. So if you haven't had this device, I recommend you to buy it if you're looking for reading device. It's a little bit more complicated than the phone. Actually, phone is a lot easier to connect than the Kindle. is it takes learning. So anyway, love you guys. Click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Bye.